Hey you guys, this is Gina here with crafting here on PHA. Christian is started, PHA means craft, uh, paper hoarders association. So we're doing this collab, a bunch of us is doing this collab with Christian on Christmas in July. So I've never done it before, and this is my first time, so I've been doing some embellishments. And I had dug out a bunch of my stuff that I had from last year, and I thought I had a lot of stuff, but I do, but you know, it was just here and there and everywhere. So what I've been coming up with tonight is doing these little mini rosettes, the little rosettes. So that one, I dug out my paper from last year. I got some Bow Bunny, and I got some from, shoot, I can't even remember all the papers. Bow Bunny, and I think I already put them up. Yeah. Echo Park, and then I found some chipboards, but I had 2 chipboards, and a lot of stickers, a lot of glitter stuff that I didn't even use last year. I was kind of shocked on that. I'm like, wow, because I really didn't do anything last year in any swaps or anything, so I kind of just like stayed out of everything and just watched everybody doing their thing. I was kind of like not really ready for all that swapping and stuff. But yeah, and I've come up with these. I hauled these. These were brads, so I just kind of took the brad off and put that up on there, and I thought that was cute. And I had these last year, and these snowflakes too, and my little dears. This is my favorite. This is a button that I hauled last year. I couldn't even tell you where I got those. And this is another favorite one. This is from Bow Bunny paper and Echo Park. So what I did here with this snowflake, I just kind of like just trimmed all the big, it was really huge like this, so I just kind of just wanted the star in the middle, and I just took all the little things and I could use those. And I thought, put this on the plaid one, because I really don't have anything else other than that. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do that. And I hope everybody's having a good evening. It's Wednesday. Gosh, y'all, I was a busy person today. My, my battery in my truck. Yeah. And our refrigerator went out. Last night when I looked, y'all, the water was coming out of the ice machine. It was just dripping and dripping, and so babe already went to sleep and all that, so I kind of like, okay, I'll leave him a note on the board, you know. And I should have put something like that on the back. You know what? No, I'm going to do it, because it is kind of cute, maybe. This paper is forgiving. These snowflakes I hauled last year from Martha Stewart, I think. I'm pretty sure I did haul them from Martha Stewart, these snowflakes. If I can remember. It was just last year. I'm going to put another one. Oh, I wish I had some green ones. I don't. So I thought I'd let you see what I'm doing in our little collab with our little paper. Yeah, that looks cute like that. I'm just kind of messing around with this. Oops. Yeah. And I was so upset about my truck and then the refrigerator, you know, so babe goes, go get a new one. It's about time. We bought that 17 years ago, so. They were supposed to deliver it today, but apparently they didn't have time. I didn't even get a call. I don't know. I was so angry about my battery and then angry about the, what you want to call it, the, my, oh, what do you call that? I put the bunch of these little balls. I can get the one I want. And they're gonna all come out. Here they go. Okay, I got it. Yeah, and then when I got home, you know, I got so upset about everything. I told Manny, I'm gonna go shopping. He says, okay. Don't spend too much. Okay. And I said, you know, my limit is gonna be no more than $100. That's what I said. And I just paid off my credit card. I mean, literally paid it all off. And I was so happy with myself. That turned out cute, y'all. I was so happy with myself, and well, I had to go get my Frigidaire. And then, y'all, that thing started back up. I don't know. I don't know. I can't tell you. Like, I hauled these last year from, I think I got these from the Dollar Tree. And, well, I'm going to save those because I will use those on further notice. What do I not have? I guess I don't. It's not a right green. This is kind of like a. I'm just gonna put this on snowflake on there. Anyways, like I was saying, I came back home and babe goes, the freezer's working again. It's dropping ice. Like, you gotta be kidding me. He goes, no. I went, well, you know, I got so mad. So I hit the ice machine maker. I hit it with a ladle. Yes, I did. I hit it with the ladle, y'all. I hit it. I hit it hard, too. I said, ugh, you don't even want to know what I say. And I was like, Yeah, this come from that Faux Bunny collection. This one did. Ugh. It's got some pink in it. Man, I got some webs here. Hate that. Kind of want to make them, you know, like similar to the same. So I'm going to make a little box. And I think I'm going to give them away on the thing, on the collab. I don't know. Make a little French fry box and give them away. I don't know. I asked Christian, do we give away something? Or, you know, I don't know. This is the first time I've ever done this. So I think each week give away what I'm making here. I don't know. I asked her, she's kind of like, I don't know. I don't know. So I'm kind of like up in the air a bit, you know, on what we're doing here. Let's see. I haven't used these light bulbs either. Or these wood veneers. I'm going to use this one. Or, I don't know. Let's see. These are like really big. I could have used this. Like, I could have used that on the backing of this note. Oh well. And that's my last one. Bundle up. I think I'm gonna put this. It's kind of white, huh? Burr. I don't know. I think I'm gonna save those for like some tags or something. I think I'm gonna do since it's brown, these are what I have from last year. I dug my container out, y'all. I didn't have anything in blue. Oh, I did, but y'all, I had this blue, look, this blue plaid, and the paper is, I got this from scrapbook.com, and the paper's just like ripped the minute I started turning it. So that was it on that one. These are all blue little snowflakes. I think I'm gonna put the little gingerbread man on this one. I hauled these last year. And those are just little light bulbs, Christmas lights. I gotta get busy in my house tomorrow and do my 4th of July. Put it all out, and then tomorrow I gotta get that vacuum in the pool. These were just buttons that I hauled last year. Just little buttons. I seen it when I was in the sewing area. Couldn't tell you if it was Joann's or a Walmart. The little gingerbread man. What do you think, y'all? Is that cute? I wanted 10. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do have 10. Hey, I got it. Well, I thought I didn't do it, but I did. All right, I got 10. So now I'm gonna make like something to put them in. And then each week, I guess. Okay, I guess it's every week you make an embellishment or rosettes or tags. And let me see my notes. Where are my notes? What did I do with my notes? I don't know. I can't remember what I did with my notes. And see, these are what I hauled last year. Or this year. Yeah. He said, how can anybody spend so much? I know. He goes, but you love your arts and your crafting things. Keeps you out of my hair. That's all he says. See, and I got these last year, and I didn't even use any of them. These were bow bunnies I got last year at Tuesday morning. Yeah, the layered chipboard. Didn't even use them. And I noticed I didn't even use... Yes, I did. I used them. I got like 2 packs. And I'm going to give these away too. They're little snowball fights. I made them for my family members, and I mailed everybody a little box for the Christmas holidays. And see, I got these last year. I didn't even use these wood veneers. They're all wood. I did not use not one. Now look, I used 1, 2, 3, 4, and I just used 1 today. You know, this was last year's. I got those this year. And look, y'all, I got 1 little deer left. Oh, I was hoarding. They only had 2. And I bought them, and I thought they were so cute. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and toss these in for the week, because I had these last year, and I heat sealed them. And look, I put East Texas snow, and my pen didn't work out too well. And I put this little thing with, I even put pop dots on the mittens and the hat and the little snowman. Yeah. And I made all these little snow bags. They're little snowball fights. So yeah, I'm gonna throw these in there too, since I found those in my Christmas box from last year. Yeah, and I had these from Martha Stewart, these big snowflakes. And then I bought these just this year, and these, I bought these other big snowflakes. I don't know, y'all. That's just what women do, just buy. And I got a big bag of snow over there, and snowballs, little tiny snowballs like those, and a bunch of little confetti snow. And oh, MG. Yeah, that's what I was doing tonight, and I'd like for y'all to encourage to look at all of the stuff that we're making for Christmas in July in this collab. And also go and join Christian and her craft rooms too. And thank you for stopping by, and leave a comment. Tell me what you think. You know, I thought, oh, okay, that's why. And I enjoy you for stopping by, like I said. And bye now. Y'all keep safe, okay? Happy 4th of July.